Hello students, my name is JP sir. Student, this video it is related with standard 5th and subject is maths. Okay student? Okay. Before going to start, I want to discuss with you. In my last video, I had completed, see the page up to here. लास्ट में मैंने आपको यहाँ तक करवा दिया था, मोर देन, लेस देन, राइट एंगल तक. I had completed up to here. Okay student, now in this video I am going to explain question number 8 chapter number 2 shapes and angle. Okay student, as you know that this is video, it is one kind of revision. Okay, this video it is very helpful to those students who are absent and who were not attend all the lectures. So this video would be very helpful for such kind of students. Okay student, lol. Now let us start exercise number 8. Question is, state type of angle shown in the pictures given below. एंगल shown बताना है, पिक्चर में जो भी एंगल दिया गया है, राइट एंगल, less than right angle or more than right angle. Okay student, now first one is here. Student, figure में you can see here is such kind of figure. It's a one angle and it is a more than angle. It shows more than angle. 90 degree angle will be like this, straight line, and this is such line, vertical and horizontal. It 90 degree line it will be looking like this, इस तरह से दिखाई देगा, straight line and horizontal line. So this is more than right angle, so write here more than right angle. Now figure number 2, you can see in this figure, suppose this figure it's a figure of person which has bent his hand, and there is one angle, it is mad, there is one angle making with between his hand. So this angle should be less than 90 degree. So how can we write? We will write as a less than a right angle. Okay student, now figure number 3. Now this time angle is given between their leg. Here angle is become, we know that right angle is such kind, and angle is looking like this. So this angle it is less than right angle. So write here also less than right angle. Now figure number 4, more than a right angle. Okay student, more than a right angle. How could we say that? Because this angle it is more than right angle, 90 degree like this, but it is more than right angle. So write here more than a right angle. Now this angle it is more than right angle, so write here more than right angle. How can we decide? Because her hand is more than 90 degree, so here more than right angle will be come here. Now in this figure is legs shown between the legs, it is less than right angle, because we know that when right angle is made, at that time two lines meet each other at 90 degree. Both should be straight. So this is 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree angle is there between two lines. Here is less than 90 degree. So write here in the blank less than right angle. Okay student, got it? पता चल रहा है? Now here is angle, figure number 7. Angle is, we don't need to explain any step, any statement, because a person who is running and jumping over the line or ring, so between his leg there is angle is made between his leg, so this angle should be more than right angle. ये जो एंगल है वो 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होगा, दैट मीन्स मोर देन अ राइट एंगल. गॉट इट? में पता चला, मोर देन राइट एंगल. सो नाउ फिगर नंबर 8. Figure number 8. Now there is one angle made between these two lines. It's a right angle because horizontal line and vertical line both at the right angle. So 90 degree it is becoming between the hands. Right, and 90 degree angle means it's a one kind of right angle. So write in the blank right angle. Now you can clearly see, students, here a person who is swimming in the water. This figure shows like that, and he is moving his hand to swim for swimming, and between shoulder and his hand at elbow angle is made there, and this angle should be less than right angle, because when you suppose you are swimming and when you move your hand to go forward, at that time angle between your hand it would less than right angle. So right here less than right angle. Now student, question number 9, and question is, write the number of angles hidden in the words given below and complete the table. Okay student, write the number of angles in the words given below and complete the table. Okay, have you got my point? Now question number 1. Now student, here it's not a question, but it's a one kind of name, USA. Here name is written in capital letters, USA. All words, सारे नंबर कैसे हैं? सारे नंबर कैपिटल लेटर में हैं, USA. Okay student, now so we have to give answer from these words. Now student, ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट का डाउट्स इसी में था कि सर हाउ कैन वी फाइंड नंबर ऑफ राइट एंगल्स इन दिस लेटर लेस देन मोर देन राइट एंगल. सो टुडे आई will explain in this video how could we find number of angles, right angle, less than right angle, more than right angle from this letter. Okay, so let us start. Now first see here, for finding number of angles we have to find out first where angle is becoming, कहाँ किधर एंगल बनता है. For finding angle we have to get idea about जहाँ पे दो लाइन एक दूसरे को मीट करती हैं वहाँ पे एंगल बनता है. You know that where two line meets to each other, at there angle is made. So जहाँ पे दो लाइन एक दूसरे को टच कर रही है तो वहाँ पे क्या बनेगा? एक एंगल. जैसे दिस लाइन एंड दिस लाइन, टू लाइन टचिंग है तो हियर वन एंगल, दिस लाइन this line, तो here one angle, but these angles are right angle. तो right angle बन रहे हैं, तो 1 and 2. राइट एंगल में क्या होगा, जब टू लाइन स्ट्रेट आकर एक दूसरे को राइट पे मिलेंगी, जैसे दीवार, टेबल, चेयर, कुर्सी, सोफा सेट एक्सेट्रा. तो राइट एंगल हियर, राइट एंगल हियर क्योंकि स्ट्रेट लाइन है, हियर. नाउ we have to write total number of right angles, so count down. 1 right angle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total right angles are 10. So write here 10 right angle. Got it student? पता चला? Now second one is less than a right angle. लेस देन राइट एंगल मीन्स 90 डिग्री से छोटा. 90 डिग्री को हम राइट एंगल कहते हैं, और अगर उससे छोटा है तो लेस देन राइट एंगल, अगर उससे ज़्यादा है तो दिस एंगल इट इज़ कॉल्ड मोर देन राइट एंगल. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट लेस देन नंबर ऑफ लेस देन राइट एंगल इन दिस लेटर. सो लेट अस फाइंड. ओके, here less than angle, here 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 angles less than a right angle, so write here 3. Okay, now third one is more than a right angle. More than right angle means angle which is more than 90 degree. Such angles are known as a more than a right angle. Got it my point? Now find out how many angles are there which is more than right angle. So see in the letter A. Here we have just seen, here is 3, there are 3 angles which are less than 90 degree. Now we are going to see more than right angle. Okay, this angle and this angle, these 2 angles are more than a right angle, and these only 2 angles are more than right angle in this name, USA. So right here only 2 angles more than right angle. Now we have to total make of this number of angles. So 10 plus 3 plus 2, so 10 and plus 3 13. 13 plus 2, total number of angle is 15. So write here 15. Got it? Okay, now second number is Lakshmi. Okay student, this is you have to solve in the Lakshmi. The letters, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letters in this Lakshmi. Okay, now first one is student, here first column is number, second column is angles, and third one is how many angles are there. Okay, we have to write there and then make total. Then we have to make total of number of angles. Now first one is right angles. Okay, now let us find right angle, how many right angles are there. Now so student, one right angle is, I am zooming it. Now total right angle is 1 right angle, 2 right angle, 2, 3 and 4, and this one is 5. So total there are 5 angles in this letter. There are total 5 right angles in this letter words. So write here total angles 5. ओके नाउ लेस देन अ राइट एंगल, मतलब 90 डिग्री से ऐसे कितने एंगल छोटे हैं, 90 डिग्री से कम कितने एंगल ऐसे हैं जो इन लेटर में आए हुए हैं. ओके अंडरस्टूड. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड आउट इन दिस. 90 डिग्री से छोटे मतलब जहाँ पे दो लाइन एक दूसरे को मीट कर रही है तो वहाँ पे आपको एंगल देखना है कि 90 डिग्री से छोटा है. स्टूडेंट टेक योर प्रोटेक्टर, मेक दिस सर्कल. राइट एंगल मीन्स दिस इज राइट एंगल. Less than right angle means like this. Here is less than right angle. More than right angle means it will look like this. More than right angle like this, and acute angle less than right angle मतलब like this. It shows like this. Okay, student. Now so less than right angle. Let us find less than. How many angles are there in this name letters? How many less than right angles are there in this letter? First angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 angles in this name which are less than right angle. So write here total 8. So here total 8. Now we have to find out now more than a right angle. More than a right angle. So how many angles in this name which are more than right angle? Let us find out. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Okay, there are 4 angles which are more than. So write here 4 angles which are more than a right angle. Okay student, got it my point? Now add this all angle. 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 4 17. So write here 17. Now students, question number 3. It is similar. I am giving to you. Solve and practice in your rough book and write this in your CW. Okay student, I will provide photos in your WhatsApp group and you have to write all the homeworks in your CW. Okay. Now question number 10. Which type of angle is formed between the hands of clock below? Right angle, more than right angle, or less than right angle? Also write the time. Okay, got it my point? Now student, in my next video I will start from this exercise number 10. Okay student, got it my point? Okay. Now till then, तब तक के लिए okay student. Now I am going to say one point that is very important. Student, जो भी स्टूडेंट एब्सेंट है, जिन्होंने अटेंड नहीं किया है लेक्चर अभी तक, तो आप उनसे एक बार कह दीजिए कि हमने इस तरह से वीडियो लेक्चर चालू कर दिया स्टार्ट करना, ताकि वो भी अटेंड कर सके. ओके स्टूडेंट. और स्टूडेंट घर पे रहिए एंड वी नो दैट एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ सराउंडिंग अस दैट इज़ वेरी बैड, बट वी कांट डू एनीथिंग, बट वी कैन मेक अस सेफ. Put your keep sanitizer, small sanitizer with you. Regularly sanitize after touching something else material, and keep distance between any other person. And whenever you are sneezing, coughing, then put rumal. Rumal means योर हैंडकरचीफ, एनी हैंकी on your mouth during sneezing and coughing. Okay, student. And if you found any cough, any sneezing, coughing, any pain in your throat, so check out your body. Okay. Okay, student. घर पे रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए और अपने माँ बाप का रोज़ आशीर्वाद लेके घर से निकलिए और वीडियो को रेगुलर देखिए और अपनी CW की नोट को मेंटेन कीजिए। कभी भी आपकी CW की नोट चेकिंग के लिए आ सकती है और वर्कबुक भी मेंटेन कीजिए। अगर इनकम्प्लीट है तो उसे कंप्लीट कराइए। ठीक है स्टूडेंट, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विथ न्यू एंथुजियाज्म, विथ न्यू जोश, विथ न्यू एनर्जी। टिल देन बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे।